How to change the default music playing apps in which songs will open up with that app at default. This is for the Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2 Android 15. Define and change the default music player, use your quick access, and go into the settings right here. Once you're in this area here, go all the way down, past all of this until you see apps right there. And within the apps section here, you'll see these three dots at the top right. As you enter, you'll go to Other Settings, then you'll see Default Apps right here. Now that you're here, you'll see all the default app settings in which you can choose from. And as you go down, you're going to see Music right here. This is going to be disabled or nothing will be selected at default when you first get your phone. Now, if you do install other apps from the Play Store and you want those apps to open up your songs every time you have a new song on your phone, so for example, maybe this one here, you can choose that one if you want, and every time you play a song, it's going to open up with that app. But this is where you would go to select a default playing app for your Poco X7 Pro, like and said.